Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade chocolate chip cookies. First, ensure your butter is softened to room temperature. Cream 1 cup of butter with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, followed by 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. This creates the essential creamy base for perfect cookies. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. Combine 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This ensures even distribution for consistent cookies. Gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough cookies. Now for the best part, the chocolate chips. Gently fold in 2 cups of your preferred chocolate chips or chunks. Once incorporated, cover your cookie dough and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or even overnight. This crucial step helps the flavors meld, prevents the cookies from spreading too much during baking, and results in a chewier texture. It's worth the wait. Finally, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto an ungreased baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the centers are still slightly soft. Let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack. Enjoy your warm, homemade cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.